Alright, we're at my favorite park and we're out in the middle because my objective today is to test out beginner mode so I can see if I can let my grandson fly my drone. So first of all, we'll put this out and I think we'll stake it down today. Okay. Probably too windy to be doing this. Started out this morning with blue skies. And it looks like it's storming up. But I've been wanting to do this. There's my new label. Kids over there destroy everything. I don't know if that's what they're doing, but it doesn't sound good. We want brightness. We want to record for sure. Okay, I think we got that part done. So we'll turn this on. He's ready. Turn this guy on. Okay.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Flight mode. Let's go in here and go flight mode. I'm looking for beginner mode. There we are. Turn on beginner mode. 98 feet, that's good. Okay. So, we get the recorder going here. Okay. And we are in beginner mode. And we'll see how far it goes here.
Take off.
Okay, I'm going to watch and see how fast it climbs. So here we go. Goes up fast. See how high it goes.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Okay, so it goes up like that. Now, we're going to go out, away from us. I don't know which way it's, let's see, let's turn it towards that. Let's do this. Aim it down at the ground so we can see better. There we go. Okay. We'll see if we can get over to the play thing.
Maximum flight distance reached.
Okay, so it's gone 93 feet that way. Now we'll back up and go the other way.
Maximum flight distance reached.
Okay, now we'll go forward as fast as we can. Looks like it goes fast. Okay, so we know that beginner mode works. All right, good. Get my hat on straight here. And let's bring it over here, see if it detects us. Yep, it does. All right. So now we're going to get out of beginner mode. Beginner mode is off. All right.